Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Traveling Down the Banisters. Today we are at the Tampa, Florida RV Supershow. And today is actually Saturday. There's only one day left of the show. And we have stopped by for the second time to do an interview and to check out some of the new Winnebago's RV accessible vehicles that they have out. Now these are Class A's that they have available. Some of the things that we want to know about with these vehicles is, are they truly handicap accessible?
Well, that's why we're doing this, to make them accessible. If someone needs more customizing beyond what we're offering here, we certainly can listen to what they need and try to accommodate them.
That is great to know, because sometimes something doesn't work for one person,
right,
and it works for the other person.
Exactly.
So that's good. Now these are all Class A motorhomes.
Yes.
What is the length of each one you have here today? Are they all the same size, or are they a little bit different?
This would be our largest. The 34T is about 35 feet in length.
Okay.
And then we also have the 30T and the 30R. Those are similar in length, a little over 30 feet.
A little over 30 feet. And are these set up for when you drive for somebody who, can they make adjustments for somebody that maybe has an amputated leg or something along those lines? So
Driving controls?
Correct, yeah.
Driving controls would need to be installed aftermarket. That's not something that Winnebago offers at this time.
Okay. It can be done though, correct?
Yes, aftermarket.
Okay, awesome. So this is obviously the ramp. Now, what kind of weight can this ramp hold?
This is a Braun Ability platform lift, and it has an 800-pound lifting capacity.
So any standard wheelchair or anything along those lines should be able to accommodate. Maybe even electric chairs would be all right on this, because as long as it doesn't exceed the 800-pound capacity.
Well, the platform length is 54 inches long, so as long as it falls within that parameter, yes.
Okay.
So we're going to want to push the up button.
And you say this supports 800 pounds?
Yes.
So up to 800 pounds.
Right.
So nobody really have to worry about it. I mean, wheelchairs are pretty light. Would this be a single person going up, or two people could pretty much go up on it?
Depends on the person and the total weight if there's two people.
Right.
If you exceed 800 pounds, it's
not going to work. Right. But if you were under that weight, two people could essentially go up with it.
could.
And then the door closes.
Right.
Now, can you close the door from the inside?
Yes, it's air assisted, so it has a switch on the wall.
Okay.
It also has a remote control. So if someone's using a wheelchair or scooter, they can approach the motorhome and open that door independently without having to manually open and shut the door.
That is amazing.
Dad will love it.
Okay. And so I've noticed already since I've been in here, everything is a bit wider. So this is just a nice big open area that you'll be able to get into and out of with no problem at all. This is one of the other units that you have, and this is the
30R Intent, the accessibility enhanced version.
Okay. And I noticed that this one here actually has the door in the back. It goes into the bedroom in the back?
Right.
Okay. So that way you could come directly in there instead of having to worry about being up in the front of the vehicle.
Yes.
And all of these vehicles have handicap accessible bathrooms.
Yes.
and stuff like that we covered on the inside. And we noticed the starting prices on some of these here. Is there more models that are available than what you have here on the lot?
These are our standardized products. We can, as a special order, do other models, but being prepackaged, these are the three.
Okay. Well, we do appreciate you taking the time to interview with us today, and we will be stopping by one more time on Sunday. The last day of the show is going to be Sunday. If you have any questions, Sonya would be more than happy to answer. She's been great with us, explaining everything that we need. So come by, see her, ask all the questions you can, and buy one. As always, thank you for traveling down the banisters. We'll see you next time.